Good morning. I am Ismail Ragab El-Gendy, Professor Doctor of Economic Entomology at Plant Protection Research Institute, Agriculture Research Center, Egypt. I will present a study entitled Pathogenicity of Metarhizium, anisopliae, and Beauveria bassiana against the peach fruit fly Bactrocera zonata Saunders, Diptera Tephritidae, under laboratory conditions. The peach fruit fly is a distracted pest of fruit and vegetables in Egypt. Its ratings more than 40 hosts. With increasing awareness of the risks of residue of the chemical pesticides, for this reason, there is needing to produce chemical-free food, which would be achieved through organic farming. Therefore, the IPM will play an essential role in the control of this pest, whereas pre-pupa and pupa stages of the peach fruit fly that exist in the soil habitat. So, the present study aims to assess the fungal effect of Beauveria bassiana and Metarhizium anisopliae against the peach fruit fly pupae, and their extended effect to the adult stage that emerged from treated pupae in the larval stage. Firstly, we rear the peach fruit fly under laboratory conditions. We have two treatments of fungi, Beauveria bassiana and Metarhizium anisopliae, in 5 concentrations. Treatments were applied in 1 stage, full-grown larvae of the 3rd instar of the fly. We evaluated mortality percentage, LC50 and LT50 values in both pupae and adult stages of the fly. As shown in figure 1, that shows the accumulated mortality percentages of zonata pupae at different concentration of Metarhizium and Beauveria at 3 post-exposure times under laboratory conditions. Data showed that the lethal effect of Metarhizium and Beauveria bassiana was obtained at the 2nd day of pupal stage, with the 3rd concentration of the fungus. Mortality percentages increased by increasing the fungal concentration and post-treatment in this stage of the fly. The highest mortality percentage was obtained with the highest fungus concentration at the 5th day of treatment. It reached to 27.5 and 17.5% by treatment of Metarhizium and Beauveria bassiana. Regarding the adult stage, as shown in figure 2, the accumulated mortality percentage of the adult at different concentrations treated by Beauveria bassiana and Metarhizium anisopliae at 5 exposure times under laboratory conditions shows that the fungus effect extended to the adult stage of this fly. Accumulated death increased by increasing the fungus concentration and the day post-treatments. The highest mortality percentage achieved with the highest concentration of treatment, 2.3 multiply 10 power conidia per milli. The highest mortality percentage was obtained at 26th day of treatment. It was 100% for Metarhizium and 97.5% for Beauveria bassiana. Table 1 shows the LC50 values of Metarhizium and Beauveria for Bactrocera zonata at different post-exposure times of treatments and laboratory conditions. Results show that LC50 decreased with increasing the time post-treatment. For Metarhizium, the highest value was 5.7 multiplied 10 power 7 conidia per milli, while the lowest value was 1.5 multiplied 10 power 5 conidia per milli. For Beauveria bassiana, the highest value of LC50 was 1.2 multiply 10 power 8 conidia per milli, while the lowest value was 1.3 multiply 10 power 5 conidia per milli. Regarding LT50, table 2 show this value. The results show that LT50 values based on fungus concentration. It decreased with increasing the fungus concentration. For Metarhizium, the highest value was 9.48 days, while the lowest value was 28.58 days with concentration of 2.3 multiply 10 power 6 and 2 multiply 10 power 5 conidia per milli respectively. This value was higher in flies treated with Beauveria bassiana. The highest value was 13.33 days, while the lowest value was 30.03 days, with concentration of 2.3 multiply 10 power 6 and 2 multiply 10 power 5 conidia per milli respectively. In conclusion, the results conclude that the appreciable lethal effects of Metarhizium and Beauveria fungi. These effects were detected at the end of the pupal stage of the peach fruit fly. The fungal effects persisted during the adult fly stage. Metarhizium was the most effective on both pupil and adult stage of the fly than Beauveria bassiana. Both Metarhizium and Beauveria had potent effects in controlling of the peach fruit fly under laboratory conditions. This information may help in the pest management of the pest in the integrated and organic production system. Thank you